Hi everyone, welcome back to Biology 101. This is Amrita, and today, as a continuation of the last video, we have sex determination in humans and another topic, sex determination in honeybees. Last video, last topic, we learned basic what is sex determination, how did the scientists find out who was the scientist, and what are the different types of sex determination, like in grasshopper XO and birds ZW, humans XY, right? So now in detail we'll learn in humans. So we already mentioned that the sex determining mechanism in case of humans is XY type, right? XY type, and XY goes for male and XX goes for female. Okay, so out of 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in human body. Out of that, 23 pairs means 46. So out of that, 22 pairs are same for both male and female, right? 22 are same. The remaining one pair, these are called sex chromosomes. Okay, 22 are autosomes and they are same for both male and female. So the remaining one pair is the sex chromosome, and so a pair of X chromosome are present in female, whereas presence of X and Y are there in the male. During spermatogenesis among males, two types of gametes are produced. Okay, in that two types, 50% has of the total sperm produced carry X chromosome, and the remaining 50% has Y chromosome besides the autosomes. This is plus the autosomes. Okay, now females, however, produce only one type of ovum, right? Because only both XX we have. So only one type of chromosome is present in the ovum of all the females of all the ovums. Now there will be an equal probability of fertilization of the ovum with the sperm carrying either X or Y chromosome. In case if the sperm goes and fertilizes with an egg and the sperm has X, it will be a girl, and if the sperm has Y and the egg always will have X, so that will be a boy, because sperm has Y. So X and Y for a boy and XX for a girl. So what happens is, this is evident that it is the genetic makeup of the sperm that determines the sex of the child. It is also evident that in each pregnancy there is always a 50% chance for it's either a boy or a girl, because the sperm might have X or Y, right? That is also 50%. Now this is very important. They might twist and ask in questions that there's a couple and they have 3 girls in a row and then 2 boys in a row. So what will be the next the gender of the next child? Then options might confuse you, but it can be 50% boy or 50% girl. That is a correct answer. So this is very important. Okay, now so that is, it is unfortunate, but in our society that in women are blamed for giving birth to female children, but it is the genetic makeup of the sperm that only will tell the gender of the baby, right? So this is sex determination in humans. This is basically what I told in the last video also. Now let's see sex determination in the honeybees. Okay, I spelled it wrong, honeybees. Okay, so here the sex determination in honeybees are based on the number of sets of chromosome an individual receives. Now I'll explain what is that. Here, an offspring formed from the union of a sperm and an egg develops as a female. That is, here sperm and egg, when they fertilize, they become female. That is queen or worker, right? Female means can be queen or worker. And unfertilized egg, this becomes male. How? By the process of parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis, right? So egg becomes the male and sperm plus egg becomes the female. Now parthenogenesis means the formation of the individual or the organism without fertilization. Okay, so without fertilization, if it becomes, then that process is parthenogenesis, and from the egg the male worker bees are. So this means the males have half the number of chromosomes than that of the female. So in humans we have 46 chromosomes, right? 46 chromosomes in humans. But here the females are diploid having 32 chromosomes and male are haploid while having 16. So this is important, we shouldn't forget. Okay, honeybees, 32 female, 16 male, right? So this system is called the haplodiploid sex determination. Because this is haploid, this is diploid, so together haplodiploid sex determination. Okay, and this has special characteristics like males produce sperms by mitosis. They do not have a father and thus cannot have sons, but have a grandfather and can have grandsons. I'll show you a graph, like a flow chart. See, queen is a female and she has 2n, that is she is diploid, and there's another drone which is haploid, right? Through meiosis it produces egg which is haploid, obviously, because this is meiosis means it's reductional division, right? But here what happens is, through mitosis drone is already haploid, so through mitosis they'll produce sperm which is haploid as well. Now these both will fertilize, right? So here fertilization takes place. After fertilization we get worker bees. These are females, 2n, and only the queen is fertile. All the worker females are infertile, right? Now eggs through parthenogenesis produce drones, haploid, right? So here the process is parthenogenesis. Here worker bees, 2n, these are infertile. Now how they become the queen is some worker bees feed on royal jelly, okay, royal jelly. So from this some worker bees, one of them becomes the queen again. Now this queen produces another drone, right? They cannot produce this worker cannot produce a drone directly, right? So this queen will produce a drone. Then what is the relationship between this drone and this drone? This is the grandfather and grandson relation, right? So that's why they have told they cannot be son and father, but grandfather grandson relation is possible. This is sex determination in honeybee, and here it is for humans. Thank you.